Ladies and gentlemen, I will show you a small trick that I do in order to replace the boat in a very short space. As you see here, I say to my crew to drop the anchor in order to back the boat for med mooring in Scala Marina. But as I'm backing the boat, the port police make me a signal, don't go here, go deeper. So as I'm backing, I say to my anchor, I say stop it, and when the anchor is stopping, then the boat is stopping as well and recoils back. As the boat recoils, I'm going to use this recoiling momentum, and as you see the rudder all to port and then all to starboard. And also I can use a little bit of blast to replace the stern, to come the stern a little bit more to port. As the stern is coming more to port with the rudder all to starboard, then I start my reversing. When the boat is about to stop, I put my rudder center and also to port. A thing that I want you to observe here is that I didn't touch the anchor at all, but I mark the position that the boat stopped earlier, and from the moment that I'm passing this position, I start dropping again, so I can reapproach the dock and give the lines out. To participate to our courses, you can find the contact information to the description and also all the contact information to my profile. Thank you very much.